Welcome to Mr. Complete, where curiosity meets reality and ambition turns into income. Most people believe becoming financially free requires a rich family, huge investments, or years of luck. But history keeps proving something shocking. One powerful skill can completely change a person's life. One skill can replace a paycheck, create a business, build wealth, generate freedom, and in today's digital world, that opportunity has become bigger than ever before. Today, we're exposing one of the most important financial truths of modern life: how one skill can make you financially free. Part 1. Skills are the new currency. The world changed. Years ago, people depended heavily on degrees and traditional careers. But today, the internet rewards value. And valuable skills became digital currency. Companies and businesses constantly need video editors, marketers, designers, copywriters, AI specialists, content creators. That means skills can now create income globally, even from a bedroom. Part 2. One skill creates multiple opportunities. Most people think skills only create jobs, but powerful skills create much more than that. One skill can become freelance work, a side hustle, a business, an agency, online courses, personal branding opportunities. That's why skill building is so important, because one valuable skill can create endless income paths. Part 3. Schools rarely teach high-income skills. Traditional education often teaches people how to follow systems, not how to create income independently. That's why many people graduate with knowledge, but no financial leverage. Meanwhile, self-educated people online are learning sales, marketing, content creation, AI automation, video editing, and turning those skills into serious income. That's the modern opportunity most people underestimate. Part 4. The United States digital economy explosion. In the United States today, businesses desperately need digital talent. Why? Because modern business runs online. Brands need content, attention, marketing, editing, automation. And skilled people who can provide these services are becoming extremely valuable. That's why digital skills are creating a new generation of financially independent people. Part 5. Why most people stay stuck. Most people never develop powerful skills because they quit too early. They fear failure. They avoid discomfort. Learning new skills feels frustrating at first. Results are slow. Progress feels invisible. But financially successful people understand something important: temporary struggle creates long-term freedom. That's why they continue learning while others stop. Part 6. The internet made learning free. This generation has access to unlimited education. You can learn almost anything online: editing, coding, marketing, AI tools, business, sales, for free or low cost. That's powerful. Previous generations needed expensive institutions for knowledge. Today, a smartphone can become a university, but only if people use it wisely. Part 7. Skills create confidence. One of the biggest hidden benefits of valuable skills is confidence. Because when you know you can create income independently, fear decreases. You stop feeling trapped. You realize Your future is no longer controlled entirely by one company or paycheck. That mental freedom changes life deeply. Part 8. One skill can become an empire. Many million-dollar businesses started from one simple skill. A video editor builds an agency. A designer builds a brand. A marketer creates a company. Small beginnings become powerful over time. That's why consistency matters. One skill practiced daily for years can completely transform a person's future. Part 9. The rich invest in skills constantly. Financially successful people never stop learning. Why? Because skills create adaptability. And adaptability creates survival in changing economies. Technology changes fast. AI changes industries. But people with valuable skills can evolve and continue growing. That's why self-education became one of the most important investments today. Part 10. The real truth. Financial freedom is often closer than people think. Not because success is easy, but because one valuable skill can open doors people never imagined. The problem is not lack of opportunity. The problem is that most people never stay consistent long enough to master anything. And mastery creates value. Value creates income. Income creates freedom. Final message. If you truly want a different future, start learning one valuable skill seriously. Protect your focus. Stay patient. Keep improving. Because one skill could become the reason your family's future changes forever. And maybe the freedom you dream about starts with the decision to learn instead of scrolling endlessly. If this inspired you, hit like. Subscribe to MrComplete. And comment. One skill can change my life. Because here, we don't just talk about money. We talk about building real freedom through modern opportunities. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.